10 practical tips for boosting productivity at work. Opening shot. Show a busy workspace with papers and clutter. Voiceover. Are you looking to enhance your productivity and get more done at work? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore 10 practical tips that can significantly boost your efficiency and help you make the most out of your time. Tip 1. Prioritize tasks. Show a list of tasks being prioritized on a notepad. First things first, prioritize your tasks. Identify the most crucial ones and tackle them first. This ensures you're focusing on what truly matters and avoids feeling overwhelmed. Tip 2. Time blocking. Visualize a calendar with time blocks for different activities. Consider time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different tasks, creating a structured schedule. This helps in maintaining focus and avoiding distractions. Tip 3. Break down big tasks. Use graphics to represent breaking down a large task into smaller steps. Don't let big tasks intimidate you. Break them down into smaller, more achievable steps. This not only makes the workload more manageable, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. Tip 4. Eliminate distractions. Show a phone with notifications turned off. Identify and eliminate distractions. Whether it's turning off notifications or creating a dedicated workspace, minimizing interruptions is key to staying focused. Tip 5. Set realistic goals. Display SMART goals on the screen. Set realistic goals. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This ensures your goals are clear, attainable, and have a defined time frame. Tip 6. Learn to say no. Show a person politely declining additional tasks. Learn to say no. While it's great to be helpful, overcommitting can lead to burnout. Prioritize your existing workload before taking on new responsibilities. Tip 7. Take breaks. Show a person taking a short break, stretching, or going for a walk. Don't forget to take breaks. Short breaks can re-energize you and improve overall focus. Remember, you're more productive when you're refreshed. Tip 8. Use productivity tools. Showcase various productivity tools on a computer screen. Take advantage of productivity tools. There are countless apps and software designed to streamline tasks and keep you organized. Find what works best for you. Tip 9. Delegate tasks. Illustrate a person delegating tasks to team members. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks. Distributing responsibilities among team members not only lightens your load but also promotes collaboration. Tip 10. Reflect and adjust. Show a person reflecting on their work and making adjustments. Lastly, reflect on your progress regularly. Assess what's working and what isn't, and be willing to adjust your strategies accordingly. Continuous improvement is key to long-term productivity. Closing shot. Display a tidy and organized workspace. Implementing these tips can make a significant difference in your workday. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity hacks. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey to a more productive work life.